Ready to blow up on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube? I've stumbled upon a game-changing niche that's too good not to share. It's all about tapping into an underexplored niche that's practically begging to go viral. Okay, check this out. This YouTube channel has skyrocketed to success with a surprisingly small number of videos, gaining a whopping 544,000 subscribers. And get this, in the last month alone, they racked up over 650,000 views, bringing their total to 86 million views. That's some serious viral content and potential earnings. But wait, over on Instagram, I stumbled upon an account that's defying all odds. With just a handful of posts, they've managed to captivate an audience of over 189,000 followers. Can you believe it? Talk about making every post count. So, what's their secret? 2 words: dark psychology. I know, sounds a bit ominous, but hear me out. This niche is on fire right now, and the best part? The content is all AI generated. We're talking simple visuals, minimal editing, and AI voiceovers. No fancy equipment needed. Today, I'm gonna walk you through how to create killer reels and shorts using just one AI tool. Trust me, this'll save you hours of scripting, filming, and editing. Because let's be real, creating a video for this niche can be tricky. You need to write the script, generate voiceovers, find suitable stock footage, and most importantly, combine all these materials for the final edit. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that can automate this whole process? Okay, without wasting any more of your time, let's get to it. And the tool we are using today is called Invideo AI. To be honest, it's so user-friendly, it almost feels like cheating. You just type in what you want, and boom! You've got a publish-ready video. No joke. First things first, we need ideas. Here's a little hack I use. Head over to ChatGPT and ask for 10 ideas for YouTube shorts about dark psychology. I like how common manipulation techniques sounds. It's a hot topic in the dark psychology world and tends to perform well. Let's go with this one. Alright, let's make some magic happen with Invideo AI. I've added the link in the description of this video for your convenience. Go ahead and click that link, create an account, and let's get started. And once logged in, you will be greeted with this clean interface. Okay, here's the step-by-step. Once you select YouTube Short down here, we're going to choose Fast-Paced from the drop-down menu. Next, for our prompt, we'll type, "Create a video on 5 dark psychology tricks used to manipulate people. Use casual but assertive language, keep it snappy, and frame it as practical advice. Make it suspenseful with quick pacing and lots of stock footage." I'll drop this prompt in the description of this video so you can tweak and adjust it for your own project. Here, we'll ask Invideo AI to throw in some intense, fast-paced background music to really grab attention. For the language, Invideo AI has provided us with over 40 options to choose from. For the purpose of this video, we'll be going with English. Go down to More Settings and select Male Voice. For this, choose Clear American Voice. For the subtitles, add bold subtitles with a popping effect. For the stock footage, select Use iStock as needed. For the final option, you can ask Invideo AI to select audio either from Storyblocks Audio only or YouTube Audio Library. For this video, we'll select Use the best audio available. Now click Continue. It will bring you back to this interface, showing a summary of everything you've input. You can add anything using the text bar here or quickly click Generate. Let's wait as Invideo AI works its magic. Once you're here for the audience, select Psychology Enthusiasts. For the look and feel, choose Suspenseful. Under Platform, let's select YouTube, but remember that you can still share the same content across other platforms. Finally, click Continue for our final result. Let's wait while Invideo AI creates our video. Let's see what we've got.
Ever feel like someone's playing mind games with you? You might be right. Let's dive into 5 dark psychology tricks manipulators use and how to outsmart them. First up, gaslighting. They'll twist reality, making you doubt yourself. Trust your gut and keep records. Next, the silent treatment. It's not just childish, it's a power move. Don't chase them. Set boundaries instead. Watch out for love bombing. Excessive charm early on, it might—
Pretty gripping, right? And it only took a few minutes. We have got a full-fledged video complete with script, relevant stock footage, voiceover, and subtitles. Our video is ready to be published. Now, but let's make it even shine. Here are 3 ways to level it up video. Play with the overall vibe using the plus icon above the canvas. Here you can change the audience and the look and feel. Fine-tune your prompt if you want major changes, or use the edit option below for smaller tweaks. Polish the script and swap out any clips that don't quite fit. I replaced one that wasn't working with a better one from the stock library. Pro tip: the command box is your new best friend for quick changes. You can adjust scenes, crank up the music, add cool transitions, all with a few clicks. It's almost too easy. For this, we'll make adjustments to our video since I don't feel too excited about it yet. I will input a command by typing, "Make sure the first 5 seconds are hooking and pass the information of the script, and also use more dark and suspenseful footage." Click Generate. Wow, some changes have been made to this video in seconds. If you're aiming to create viral content for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, this is definitely worth a shot. The free version lets you make 4 videos a week, which is plenty to get started. Plus, you get 24/7 support if you need it. Once you're happy with your video, click Download, and it will automatically save to your device. Then, upload it to your channel. The key is to keep posting regularly. Trust me, your account will thank you. Before we check out our final creation, I want to thank you all for watching. You're awesome. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content like this. I've got lots of exciting stuff coming up that you won't want to miss. Catch you in the next one.
Ever feel like someone's playing mind games with you? You might be right. Let's dive into 5 dark psychology tricks manipulators use and how to outsmart them. First up, gaslighting. They'll twist reality, making you doubt yourself. Trust your gut and keep records. Next, the silent treatment. It's not just childish, it's a power move. Don't chase them. Set boundaries instead. Watch out for love bombing. Excessive charm early on? It might be too good to be true. Guilt trips are manipulators' favorites. Remember, you're not responsible for their feelings. Lastly, triangulation. They'll use others to make you jealous. Don't play their game. Knowledge is power. Recognize these tactics and you'll be one step ahead. Stay sharp and don't let anyone mess with your mind.